Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
If you try that, come stop me.
What is it? Come and say I can't stop her. You know where?
My offer letter they don't just. I paid the don't just for Canada since.
You dey do constabulary, you won't put that for head. God punish you.
February. To collect my offer letter, they are telling me to bring vaccination card. When I don't just go collect my money, did they ask me of vaccination card?
You get sense?
My food. Vaccination card my food.
You not get sense. Come stop her. Come outside. Come stop her.
See your photo and talk people. They should stop collecting people money. Give me the CFO I've paid for. Give me the CFO I've paid for. I will not take any vaccine. I cannot pay my money. And you are forcing me to take vaccine.
Auntie Jake, one. Come and open the gate.
Before
God will punish you.
Give me my money. Give back my money. Since February, you pay all my money. I'll be asking you to pay my vaccination card. It will not happen. It will not happen. I will not take this. I'm a free-born person. And I can't pay for CFO. If you cannot give me CFO, give back my money. Then let's know that you can only create these services for people with vaccination card. I will not do any vaccination card. I will not. You cannot force me to take any vaccination card. Then stop collecting my money.
Don't just bring our money. Oh.
Give my money. If you don't, you are not going to give my CFO. You must give my money. What is it about vaccination in Edo State? It's Edo State, the only state in Nigeria. When would have expected people to be there in Kogi State since 2020? The governor of Kogi State has said there's no COVID in the state. Kogi people are not dying. People are not dying. Even Aruna that is the enforcer, Aruna that is from Kogi State, what has he done in the state? We are coming here to be intimidating us.
Edo people are just too quiet. They are taking us for a ride.
I cannot pay
you. Are just too quiet.
I cannot pay you and you are holding back.
You dey do constabulary police say you wan come stop person. Come outside. You say you wan stop person.
Stop my record.
Now what you dey do?
Come and stop my recording. Let us see. I have to go to Canada today. If a woman knows that you want to be using vaccine card to be doing your vote, let him return my money first. Let him return my money first. It's not by force to do CFO. CFO, without CFO, I cannot eat. I can breathe without CFO. I can do a lot without CFO. It's not by force. I cannot pay you my hard-earned money. And you are telling me that I must have vaccine card. Which law says so? Which law says I must have vaccine card for me to collect my CFO? Which law? I think this is the first stage of this battle that I'll be done. I'm going to talk to my lawyer. We are going to take this up. You cannot hold my money. It's not possible. Not when I'm on my right. It's not possible.
A woman of Wasabi, they do you so.
You hear from my lawyer. You are going to hear from other comments in the state. We are going to make this a national issue. You cannot hold my money. Record it, please. Record this, please. Record the soundboard.